Relics started a little over 5 years ago on the wings of a dream, plus a lot of hard work and determination. We have a real passion for breathing new life into forgotten antique and vintage pieces of furniture. We search, rescue, fix, and beautify each piece by hand to create relics from the past. We also offer handcrafted lotion candles, romantic boho-style clothing, handmade one-of-a-kind jewelry, seasonal home decor, and our new children's line. Relics is a team of 3 women who constantly inspire one another: mother and daughter Wendy Addison and Michael McFerrin, and our dear friend Cameron Brown. Our designs are inspired by romantic French decor. Our white-on-white with pops of black home furnishings and decor are a staple for us. In fact, we're often referred to as the White Shop on Main Street. We have been told many times that walking into Relics is like entering into a fairy tale, and this is exactly what we've always wanted to achieve. So visit Relics, 237 Main Street in downtown Smithfield.